In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a response in Google Forms. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to gather information from people through surveys or quizzes. Whether you're organizing an event, conducting research, or just collecting feedback, Google Forms can make the process seamless. So let's get started on how you can contribute your own responses to a form. First off, you need to sign into your Google account. To do this, go to Google Forms by navigating to the specific URL provided for Google Forms. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button. Click on it. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Carefully type in your email, making sure there are no typos, and then click next. Following this, you'll have to enter your password. Make sure you type in your password correctly and then click on the sign in button to access Google Forms with your account. Once you're signed in, it's time to locate the Google form you need to respond to. If you've been given a direct link to the form, simply click on it and it will take you right to the form. However, if you're accessing the form through your Google Drive or another method, navigate to the specific form you wish to add a response to. Now, with the form in front of you, look for an eye icon somewhere at the top right corner of the screen. This icon is crucial because clicking on it will allow you to view the form as a respondent rather than in the editing mode. It takes you into a preview mode where you can see exactly what the respondents will see when they fill out the form. At this stage, you're all set to fill out the form. Begin by answering all the questions presented in the form. Google Forms can include a variety of question types, such as text boxes for written answers, multiple choice questions, checkboxes for selecting multiple answers, and more. Take your time to thoroughly read through each question and provide thoughtful answers. Remember, the accuracy and completeness of your responses may be important depending on what the form is being used for. After you've answered all the questions in the form, it's time to submit your responses. You'll find a Submit button at the end of the form. Once you're sure you've answered everything to the best of your ability, go ahead and click Submit. Congratulations, you've successfully added your response to the Google form. And that's it. You've now learned how to view and respond to a Google form. Remember, submitting a form is final, so make sure you're comfortable with your answers before you hit that Submit button. Whether you're providing feedback, answering a survey, or taking a quiz, your response is now part of the collected data. Thanks for following along in today's tutorial. Google Forms is a powerful tool for collecting information, and your contribution by responding is a valuable part of the process. We hope this video has been helpful.